Hi everyone! So today I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi box here. This is actually my birthday month box, and I'm so sorry, I actually did dig into this a little bit already because I got really excited about it, and this came yesterday. I was having a little bit of a rough day, so it was just the magic I needed. Unfortunately, my box got a bit beat up, but it's okay. It's what's on the inside that counts. So let's get into this. So, not as pretty. I will put a picture of what this did look like when I first opened it, because it was much nicer than this. So it's very cute. They put happy birthday. So we've got the March hair, and it says, "A very merry unboxing day to you. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe that it's possible. Tag us in your unboxings." And get into this. So I tried to kind of pack this pretty similar to how it kind of was when I first got this and opened it up. So evidently we can see that there's a Jim Shore figure right here. So let's get into that real quick first, and let's put this on the side. So for this month, I themed my box to princesses. I had asked them to have it revolve around princesses and not so much the movies, but more the princesses themselves or items that represent princesses. So let's dig into this. Now I did have a couple of other requests that I said that if they could find it, they could deviate a little bit, but we got a Princess Cinderella Jim Shore figure. I didn't take it out. I wanted to so badly yesterday, but I was trying to reframe to at least have a little bit of self-control. Get her out of there. She's so pretty. I was trying to guess to myself which one it would be yesterday, and I was like, Cinderella, please let it be Cinderella, and I was so excited when it was. So very happy about that. So this is our next item. We've got a Belle Ironon Patch from Loungefly. That's cool. I'll have to try to make something with that. This is our designer item. So this is from Loungefly, and this is the Debossed Princesses purse. I really love the inside. It's got this pastel pink with the white polka dots, and it's got little princess tiaras. It's so cute, and our zipper details are rose gold. Let's see if we can open this up. Then on the inside pocket we also have that same print. Then it has the strap. The strap color is so pretty. You can crossbody it, which is a plus for me because I love crossbodying things. And then we've got one more pocket on this side. So one regular pocket on this side, one zipper pocket on this side. It's a pretty good size, and actually it's not too overly big. So that's really nice, and it's got all of our princesses on it. You see Belle and Aurora, Snow White, Ariel, and there's Castle. Let's see. Cinderella. Yeah, this is really nice. And it goes and has the same print on the bottom. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I saw a few other people get this and I'd been debating looking for it myself, and now I don't have to. Okay, so this is where it got really good for me because I got a Rice Krispie treat. I'm so happy about it. And it's got rainbow sprinkles. If you are someone that knows me, oh, I'm all about rainbow sprinkles. So I'm really excited. This was like the best item in here for me. Last but definitely not least, I did request this and I'm so excited to have it. It's the I Love Gaming Beauty and the Beast pin. Oh, I'm so happy about this. I really love Chip. Chip is like my favorite from Beauty and the Beast, so I'm so excited. Oh. So this is what we got, and this was an ultimate box, by the way. So time for our spoiler sheet. So the Disney Parks Rice Krispie Treats was $5.99. The iHeart Gaming Chip Limited Edition Trading Pin was $17.99. The Princess Loungefly Damask Deboss Duffel was $68. The Disney Traditions Jim Shore Cinderella was $26, and the Loungefly Disney Ironon Patch Bell was $4, bringing us to a total of $121.98, and this box was $119. So not as strong of a value as I've had for previous boxes, but I will say that this is one of my favorite boxes that I've gotten so far, because the beauty of having this subscription service is that you can get things that you can't get from the parks. And from the other boxes that I've had previously, honestly, I could get them myself. I am a shopper, so there's that aspect to me as well. But I can't get things like the pin or the Rice Krispie treats, so I'm really excited about those. This totally made the box for me, and I just love everything about this. This was such a great birthday box, and I'm so happy. So yeah, let me know what your favorite item was from this box, and thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!